Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're a mom juggling bedtime stories, laundry piles, and the never-ending search for screen-free fun, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a little find that's been making waves in our household, the HOOLYUK Taba Squishy Kit. At just $13, it seemed like a low-risk experiment, but honestly, it's become one of those unexpected joys that bridges playtime and quiet focus. As a parent, I'm always on the lookout for activities that feel more like play than work, but still sneak invaluable skills. This kit promised hands-on creativity, and with back-to-school energy setting in, I wondered, could this actually hold my child's attention without driving me crazy? No flashy screens, no loud noises, just squishy, colorful calm. I'll be honest, I didn't expect it to last past a rainy afternoon. But what unfolded was so much more than craft time. Stick around, because what came next surprised me in the best way. Let me tell you, mamas, if you're looking for a fun, creative, and surprisingly calming activity to do with your kids, this HOOLYUK Taba Squishy Kit is such a gem. I got it on a whim for my 9-year-old daughter, thinking it might be a cute weekend distraction. Boy, was I wrong. It turned into a full-blown obsession. From the moment we opened the box, everything felt so well put together. It comes with molds, silicone liquids, color pigments, little decorative pieces, gloves, basically everything you need. No scrambling to find supplies from around the house. It's like a mini science lab and art studio rolled into one. And honestly, watching her mix the liquids and see the squishies form was almost as exciting as when she finally got to squish them. It's that perfect combo of learning and play that keeps them engaged without even realizing they're following steps and being patient. One of the best things I noticed right away was how easy the instructions are. Now, I'm not the most crafty mom, don't get me wrong, but we didn't have any hiccups at all. I actually appreciated that it required attention to detail, like measuring the liquids just right and mixing them slowly. It taught my daughter to follow directions carefully, which I know will help her in school too. And let me tell you, the textures came out perfect, soft, bouncy, not sticky at all. I was half expecting a mess, like those slime projects that end up all over the table and in your hair. We've all been there. But this was surprisingly clean. The silicone sets quickly, so you're not waiting forever, and it has barely any smell, which I was really thankful for. I've had other kits that smelled like chemicals, but this one, nothing overwhelming. Just the sweet anticipation of soft, squishy creations. We ended up making 5 different squishies the first day, and she's been making more every few days since. She picks her favorite colors, neon green and purple are her go-tos, and picks out the cutest molds, like little dinosaurs and cupcakes. I love how it gives her total creative freedom. I've seen her mix colors to get something totally unique, like this teal blue shade she invented. And the decorations? Perfect little stars and hearts that stick right in. I didn't expect her to get so creative, but she started gifting them to her friends and even made one for her teacher. It's adorable and so thoughtful. I also think this would be a great activity for birthdays or rainy days. Imagine a squishy making party. Instead of screen time, the kids are actually doing something with their hands, thinking ahead, problem solving, and feeling proud of what they create. Can we all agree that's a win? Now, as much as I love it, I will say this isn't for super young kids. I'd really recommend it for age 8 and up, maybe even with a parent helping out. There are small parts, and the liquids need to be handled carefully. My daughter did great, but I was there to help with the mixing and measuring. Not because it's hard, but because there's a precision to it that younger ones might not have the patience for. And definitely make sure they don't think this is edible because it sure doesn't look like food, but kids will try anything. Also, while most of our squishies turned out perfectly smooth and bubble-free, one of them had a tiny air bubble because she poured it too fast. We just saw it as a character quirk. He's got a little air pocket friend. But it's a good reminder to go slow and steady. Overall, The success rate is super high if you follow the steps. I can't stress that enough. Follow the directions and you'll be golden. I've actually started joining in now. What was supposed to be just for her has turned into our special mother daughter time. We put on some music, wear our gloves like mad scientists, and just have a blast. I never thought I'd be this into squishies, but honestly, they're so satisfying to squish. After a long day of school runs and dinner chaos, squeezing one of these soft little things is weirdly calming. It's become my own little stress relief buddy. And seeing her face light up when it's ready to pop out of the mold, priceless. I've already told a few mom friends about it because it's such a great gift idea. You can never go wrong with something that's both fun and keeps kids off their devices. It's only $13, which is a steal for how much entertainment we've gotten out of it. There's just something special about a kit that combines creativity, following instructions, and tactile play. It's not just about making a squishy, it's about the whole process, the waiting, the mixing, the excitement of demolding. It teaches patience and attention to detail in the most fun way possible. And at the end, you have a soft, colorful keepsake you made with your own hands. My daughter keeps hers in a little box on her nightstand. She calls it her squishy treasure chest. As a mom, it warms my heart to see her so proud of what she made. We've already talked about getting another kit in a different theme. So, if you're wondering whether this is worth it, from one parent to another, yes. It's creative, engaging, clean, affordable, and surprisingly bonding. Just grab some paper towels, put on those gloves, and get ready to squish. If you're ready to squish the boredom and spark some joy with your kids, give this video a thumbs up and join our little crafting crew. Don't forget to subscribe. Every click means more fun. Hands-on reviews to help moms like me find the best playtime wins. Let's make memories, one squish at a time.